Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to activate the public follow option on Facebook on Android. This is a great feature that allows anyone on Facebook to follow your public posts. So let's get started. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several options. From the menu, tap on Follow Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage your follow settings. Scroll down until you see the Public Posts section. Here, you'll find options for controlling who can see your public posts and who can comment on them. Under Public Post Comments, tap on Who Can Follow Me. This will bring up a list of options for controlling who can follow you on Facebook. Finally, select Public to allow anyone on Facebook to follow you. Once you've made your selection, you're all set. It's important to note that by enabling the public follow option, anyone on Facebook will be able to follow your public posts. This includes people who are not your friends on Facebook. However, you can still control who can see your non-public posts by adjusting your privacy settings. Activating the public follow option on Facebook on Android is quick and easy, and it's a great way to connect with new people and expand your audience. By allowing anyone to follow you, you'll be able to share your content with a wider audience and potentially gain more followers. That's all for this video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on using Facebook and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.